If you want to know my top 3 products from Fenty Beauty that you must have, then keep on watching. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about my top 3 products from Fenty Beauty that I absolutely love. And so the first one will be no other than the Pro Filter foundation, matte foundation from Fenty Beauty. The first original one, the one that they released as first. I have oily skin type, and on my skin type, this foundation looks very beautiful, skin alike, and stays also super long on my skin. So this is definitely my go-to. I use it almost every day basically, and especially when I want to make sure that my foundation will look good and will last throughout the day, then I'm going for Fenty. I have 2 different colors, like really different colors, because you know, because of sun exposure, our skin color changes as well. So just to make sure I can always have a perfect match, I have pretty bright color and also kind of dark, like for me, for my skin type, and then I mix it together depending on, you know, how dark or how bright my skin is that day or the time of the year, let's say. I also know that some people with especially dry skin type are not fans of this foundation, but you know, it's always, but you know, for some people things work and for others don't, especially with makeup, especially with the complexion product. So that's just super normal. But I think with this foundation, it's either you love it or you hate it, but I think most people love it. So try it out. My second must-have from Fenty is their powder bronzer, and this is my, I think, 4th one already, and I've already used quite some of it, and I really love especially the colors of this bronzer. You know, they don't have like really orangey or too brown. The colors are really perfect, and the pigmentation is just right. It's not too little, it's also not too much. You can build it up, and then also it blends really smoothly and seamlessly, so you can have this nice sun-kissed effect on your cheeks. And the top 3 will be closed by the Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty. Mine looks already pretty used, and I've had already several gloss bombs from Fenty as well. You know, first thing that just comes across is the smell. It smells so great, and I also love the hydration that it gives to your lips. It just makes them look so juicy and fresh, and is not sticky, but like I said, it feels moisturized, it feels hydrated, and again, the smell, you just have to try it out. So this is my top 3 from Fenty Beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, there are many more products that are really worth recommendation, but also there are some that I wouldn't really recommend, and you can watch my other video where I told you about 5 products that I think you shouldn't be buying from Fenty. Thank you for watching, and until next time.